In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect domain in Mobirise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your Mobirise site points to your own web address. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Mobirise account and you know the domain you want to use. If Mobirise shows any prompts about DNS or verification later, simply follow those on-screen directions. First, log into Mobirise. Once you're in, open your project. If you have multiple projects, choose the one you want to connect to your domain. This ensures you're editing the correct site and avoids connecting the wrong project. Look to the upper left corner of the interface and click the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This opens the main navigation panel. From there, click on Sites. You'll see a list of your sites and projects. Find the site you're working with and click the gear icon next to it to open its settings. This is where all of your site level options live, including the domain connection tools. In the settings, locate the domain section. This is where you'll enter your custom domain. Type your domain carefully, exactly as you want visitors to use it. For example, decide whether you prefer the version with or without www. It's important to enter it accurately, as even small typos can prevent the connection from working. When you're confident it's correct, click Connect. At this point, Mobirise may connect your domain automatically, or it may display on-screen instructions. If you see prompts, follow them step by step. These prompts may include guidance like adding a record at your domain registrar or confirming ownership. If you need to copy values, copy them exactly as shown and give the system a moment to update. Sometimes these changes can take a bit to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't switch instantly. When the connection succeeds, Mobirise will typically indicate that your domain is linked to your project. If anything doesn't look right, double-check the domain spelling you entered and review any instructions shown in the app. Patience is key here. Even after a successful setup, it can take some time for the domain to display your site everywhere. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your project, navigated through the menu to your site settings, entered your domain, clicked Connect, and followed any on-screen instructions. You're now set to bring visitors to your Mobirise site through your own custom domain.